Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today we're opening up the Rose War Panty Powder box. I always feel like it sounds like I'm saying powder or something. The Rose War Panty Powder box. And this is a period subscription. This is the second time I've ever received it. So to make it easier, you can say RWPP box. Isn't this box itself really cute? I don't remember if this is what it looked like last time, but I like this. So, like I already said, this is a period subscription. You get more than just like period stuff though. You get like some period essentials. You get 2 pairs of panties. I was wearing one the day I actually got this box in the mail. I was like, oh yeah, so like they're really cute and I wear them. I really enjoyed them last month. And you get some other goodies as well. The cost is about $25 a month. I did a promo code I found last month, so I'm going to check and see if that's still valid. So what I'm going to do down in the description box, as always, I'm going to leave the link to the subscription box along with any promo codes I can find, the pricing information and all of that. I'm also going to link down below an active giveaway I have going on that's in conjunction with Yode, so you can save some money on some sunglasses. So if you have not yet entered, definitely go check out that video where you can join the giveaway. It ends at the end of the month, so you've got some time. Anyways, I'm super excited to see what's in here, so let's get unboxing. And by the way, if I look like pink or dry or anything like that, I just spent several days out in a boat in the Gulf, and you know, I try really hard not to get burnt. This is the first time in over a year, but I did get my first sunburn in a long time. Little man myself, but it happens, and it was so fun, it was worth it. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. It's really neatly wrapped, says Rose War Panty Powder and a sticker, so let's get that open. Oh my goodness, I see some amazing things right on top. Oh, and there is a card in here as well. And this is the October box. This says, welcome to October box full of joy. What's inside this month? 100% organic period products, 15 total valued at $7, 2 undies that range from $8 to $25, along with 3 to 4 thoughtfully chosen gifts from below. Post your box on Instagram and hashtag us, hashtag Rose War Panty Powder to win a $10 credit towards your next box. So then below it lists the items you can get, and it checks off the things you received. So you could have gotten a variety of things, but they let you know. So it tells you the price of what's inside, so that is always great. And there's something here in the middle that says they use 100% organic cotton material. I think that's for like the period products, like tampons. And it says above 100% organic period products. So it says best for sensitive skin, no more chemicals, high quality, organic, healthier by nature. Original Texas 100% organic cotton made, which is great. I only use organic chemical-free tampons now because things are very easily absorbed from that space. I mean, we're all adults here. I should be able to speak these words freely without worrying about being demonetized, but yeah, you gotta be conscious about what you put inside you. Some things have chemicals in them, especially like definitely stay away from anything scented. That is so bad for you, but do your own research. I'm just saying I only use organic products, so I really appreciate that's what they use in their subscription. I think that is amazing. But yeah, how about we start with the period products, since that's what we're talking about. So here are some pads nicely wrapped up, and they're in different sizes. Like seriously, how cute. I love when people make things like this cute, because like we all know like periods themselves are not cute. It's not the best time in the month, but even little simple things like this, like seeing it all tied cute, it's nice and pleasant. So here we have it there, and again there are multiple sizes, so that is great. And then they have the organic tampons in both regular and super, and they also have some information there which I think is great. So about the company Organics, so organic cotton menstrual tampons, and then you can read more about it there. But awesome. It's not TMI here ever, but I just finished my period and I used mine from last month and I liked them, so they worked. They're good. And these are great. We got these in a different scent, or different packaging last time. Vigilia down there wipes. So these are flushable 2-little wipes. These are always nice, no matter what time of the month it is. Just freshen up, or if you have your period, especially if you use pads, this would be nice to use as well. But if you're like out all day, don't have time to shower, just whenever you just want to freshen up. These are amazing. And the name Vigilia is genius. I think that's hilarious. So in the back here it says, enjoy freshness at its best and please flush only one wipe at a time. And it's flushable per INDA guidelines. So external use only, of course. So sewer and septic safe, all of that. This stuff I love. Great to put in your purse too. Alright, so there's some snacks. That's like what I saw when I first opened the box. I was like, what is that? And it's called Oh Yes. And it's like really looks like Oh Yes. Premium chocolate coated cake. And it says low calories, low sodium, 0 grams of trans fat. And it just looks delicious. I don't think I've ever eaten this before. I guess this has been around since before I was around. This has been around since 1984. Oh Yes, premium chocolate coated cake. That looks so good. Kind of feels soft too. And if it's low calorie, I don't see the calories actually on here, but awesome. And then there's a cute little lemon drop candy. I love lemon flavored everything and lemon scented everything. So I think I've had these before. I feel like my dad's secretary always had little candies like that on her desk. So that is awesome. So let's move on to the other items in the box. What do we have here? This is Cougar by Paula Dunn Firetube Leave-In Hair Serum. Soothing and fortifying, helps to thicken and lengthen hair. Awesome, I want to do that. My hair is getting longer, but I would love to grow it even more. I found that since I moved to Florida, my hair I think is growing faster than usual, or maybe I'm just more like cognizant or aware of it. My hair is very fine too, so I would love to thicken and lengthen it. Awesome. So directions: apply to wet or dry hair, rub between hands and apply to hair. Helps prevent premature hair loss. Wow. With Procaptin, this special hair serum for thinner, thinning hair helps to maintain hair density. It contains a multifunctional combination of effective ingredients to prolong hair growth and increases the anchoring of hair in the scalp. That's awesome. I'm excited to try this. So again, that's what it looks like. There's like a little pump on top. Let's see what it says on here. So this Cougar Firetube Leave-In Hair Serum is $11. What I really like about this is that you can use it on both wet and dry hair, because a lot of like the hair products I have are wet hair, and I'm trying to wash my hair less frequently just to make it healthier. And this I can use on my dry hair so I can actually get more use out of it. So I'm really excited to try this. Let's see if there's a scent. It smells good. I can't like exactly pinpoint what the scent is, but it smells super good. So awesome. Next up, this is by Vigilia Organics Natural Skin Therapy Body Tonic Oil Skin Remedy Blend. I've been using oils on my body today. Like I've already mentioned, I got a little too much sun, and I'm trying to save my skin and just moisturize it. And I moisturize it every day anyways, but so let's see what this is all about. So this is 30 ml or 1 fluid ounces. And it says, apply to your skin after showering or bathing to give your skin a healthy glow and deeper hydration. Use as needed, made for all skin types, cruelty-free and vegan. And it lists everything that's inside, and it is all natural stuff: sunflower oil, olive oil, fractionated coconut oil, evening primrose, calendula oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, lavender essential oil, geranium, tea tree, chamomile essential oil. So awesome. I know I didn't just get out of the shower, but I think you can kind of use this whenever. They just suggest putting on oils and moisturizers right after you bathe or shower, because your skin absorbs that better and you get the most benefit. Let's put a little bit on my arm. How about we put it where I'm like embarrassed to show how red I am. I'm like this SPF queen. I've lived in Florida for over a year, and have you guys ever seen me actually sunburnt? No. I guess it happens sometimes. Especially when you spend 2 full days on a boat. I even slept on a boat. It was cool. It feels nice and it smells good too. Nice. I'll put it on both. Awesome. I'm totally going to use this. I love stuff like this. And this Vigilia Organics Body Tonic Oil 30 ml is $17. And then we have here Inkling Scents Sultry. So I think this is like a little roll-on fragrance. Yeah, it says Inkling Scents Roll-On Fragrance, $15. And then it says visit inklingScents.com for 20% off your order using code RWPP20. So this is what it looks like, and then I will open it and try it out. This does smell really good. I think sultry is a good name for it. It smells pretty good and like kind of like sultry and sexy, but it's not too strong. Like sometimes, you know, when you think of scents that are like considered like sultry, aka like sexy, they like are a little too overpowering. This smells great. Gosh, I have to make my daily smell-o-vision comment. I wish you guys could smell this. And this is I like this little size too for your bag. Because lately when I've been going out, I like switch my like stuff from my bigger bag to a smaller one. You can't fit too much stuff in there, but I don't want to like go to a nice bar or restaurant and have this big old bag, you know, so this would be perfect for that. I like this a lot. So now, the only thing we've left are 2 pairs of panties. And they come in this little bag here. Oh, this one has roses on it. This like goes with their name, Rose War Panty Power. These are so cute. So when you subscribe, you do like let them know your size and like some other preferences and stuff like that too. So these are super cute. I love it. I have got one cute like panty drawer now with all the subscriptions I get and stuff. So again, this is size large. Well, I don't know why I said again, I haven't told you that. But I get size large on underwear if you want to know. Yeah, awesome. These are so cute and they're like kind of stretchy, you know? And I feel like when it's this kind of material, you can't really see it under your clothes, you know? So yeah, totally happy with these. And then we got one more pair. This one's more nude color, which is good if you're wearing something like white or anything like that. This won't show as much, but these are super cute. I definitely wait till after my period to wear these. You know, just in case. But you do you. So it's got like the white lace around it. This is super cute. This feels really comfortable too. And this is by Unparallel. 95% cotton, 5% spandex. So cute. Okay, I love it. This subscription's great. I just think anything that can make that time of the month better is awesome, because you know it sucks. It does. No lying about it. It does. So we get 2 super cute, comfy underwear. Awesome. And then we have our stuff for our period. We have got our organic tampons. We've got the pads in multiple sizes, our absorbency. So that is awesome. Oops, one fell out. And we get 2 of the Vigilia wipes, which seriously come in handy. We got some treats. This I'm really intrigued by, the oh yes little cake thing. Little lemon candy too. So there's something for people who like more like sweet stuff or like the sour like lemon type stuff. And then we got this hair serum. I'm really intrigued by this. I want to see how it works on my dry hair. Maybe I'll try it later. My hair's like pretty gross today. I was swimming in the Gulf yesterday and I did wash it when I got home, but it just still doesn't feel very clean. So I'm probably gonna have to wash it again tonight or tomorrow. But I'm definitely gonna try this both wet and dry. So if you guys are interested, I can keep you updated on this. Probably bring it up in like a monthly type fail video, because I want to start doing those so I can follow up on reviews more. This oil I tried on. Feels good, smells good. I love stuff like this. And then this little scent. This is small, but it smells really good. The Inkling Scents and Sultry. I gotta smell it again. A little bit more on. I really like it. Awesome. So that is everything in the box. I thought it was really great. You guys have to let me know your thoughts. If you want to know what could have come in other variations, one of the options was to get a Caribou Moisturizing Haitian Coffee and Coconut Scrub, which is 2 ounces and has a $10 value. Or you could have gotten a 4-in-1 Baby Nail Care Trim and Shine for $15. Or there are 2 options for surprise gifts valued at either $10 or $15. I'm really happy with what I got. I really like the panties too. I think they're super cute and seem like they'll be super comfortable, like you can wear them every day type underwear. So yeah, loved it. Let me know your thoughts down below. Everything will be linked in the description box for your convenience. And I've been saying this a lot lately, but I leave my social media links down below too if you guys want to catch up in between uploads. I love talking to you guys. I try and be in the comment section a lot, but you're probably going to find me quicker on like Instagram or Snapchat. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!